This event present by Grassroots Boxing Promotion and Crown Boxing Promotion. The broadcast by Zonet, the Zonet, and this event is sponsored by Danchuma Construction, TD Boxing Store, Sete Boxing Academy, and TD Boxing Academy. We have 15 to 16 exciting pro fight. 8 will be like prelim. I mean, those who are fighting for that debut and those who's fighting for that, like they want to turn pro, will give them platform to continue pro boxing career. And we have some highlights for Zoram Zoram Thanga on my left. He is going to fight for WBC Asia title for sure, and we are looking for the opponent. I got some opponent from France, but still not confirmed. But he is going to fight for WBC Asia title or maybe Asia Continental, whichever the available. And he is fighting for the first time, right, for the title. On my right, one of my favorite boxer, Valampua, and he is going to fight also WBC medalist title or WBC Asia title, whichever the available. But I want to ask, and also our young champion, WBC World Youth title holder, Lalding Sanga, he may fight, he may not fight because of he joined the police. He is in the police training camp now, but we'll try our best to have him our event. Okay, and of course he's going to fight. The last time he fought some Indian guy because of police training camp. We want to give him like strong opponent. He's not going to training, like training not happening because of training camp, police training camp. He's in training camp now, but we'll try to get him some 2 weeks or 3 weeks to bring him out and go for training. But if he's fighting, 100% he's fighting for international this time also, not any Indian fighter. So I'm not sure he's going to fight or not, but we will try our best to have him also for 3 main event card for Zoram Thanga, Valampua, and also Lalding Sanga. And also there is a lot of international fighter. One recently, one of the very good boxer, he fought for in Goa, IBC national champion. What is his name? Vala.
Coltira. Valal and Coltira.
Yeah, he is also very strong and upcoming fighter, and might be he fight, not sure, but not, might be he fight for 8 round, but with international boxer. Depends the situation. But yeah, this is the 4 boxer we can highlight, and there's a lot of talent in Mizoram who go into fight. Yeah. If you have any question, let me know, guys. Thank you.
WBC Asia title. Zoram Chana is going to fight the Asia title, right? So what does it take? What is the main criteria to be eligible for that title?
First of all, his number of fight, he has to be good number of fight, and he fought with a good opponent, and his ranking. Now he's ranking around 6 in Asia, and also on box track I think 200 something, 1.5 star. So he will be eligible to fight Asia title. The idea is to fight Asia title. If he want to go for world title, he has to go by step, like fighting for Asia title, fighting for more bigger title, and then he's going to fight for world title. But it doesn't mean he has to fight for world title for same organizer, like a WBC. He can fight for IBO, IBF, WBO, WBA, like that. But the idea is to, if our goal to make him world champion, he has to go same experience. Now he's going to fight for my 10 round. Okay, last time he fought for 10 round in Thailand, which is B side, and it was good fight. But now he's going to fight for again 10 round. Okay, so now is about title, and also he will gain experience for 10 round. The main world title is maybe like top level is 12 round, and he never fought for 12 round. So first he complete the 10 round, maybe in future 2 years, 3 years, we'll see his potential, then he may fight for 12 round. So yeah, already is there, always. Other 6 years I did not always keep coming and keep trying. Always is there. And also I would like to thank Crown Boxing and my partner Payam Munari. He always support me financial thing. You ask me like financial, so he support me also. And we collaborate with Grassroots and Crown Boxing. He's from Dubai. He always support for this event as well. Yeah.
Okay, I want to understand one thing. As you said that this is not your first time organizing international event or bigger events like this in Mizoram. So
No, this is not my first time.
yeah, that's why. What we saw is that when we see our Mizo boxers, they are good and they are fighting, but their opponents is we feel like they are a little bit soft. We cannot see that our true potential of our Mizo boxers. How do you choose their opponents? You just say that you're not finalizing yet. So this time, are we going to see the real fight or not?
So I want to ask, as I always mention, Walampua is one of my favorite fighter. So have you saw his fight in last time in Bangalore?
Yes.
Yeah, live streaming. It was not easy fight. Okay, I want to ask him, Walampua, who you want next?
Yes, we want to know that.
Who you want next? Okay.
Next sa katum le chak chu tu a hian in eng opponent cheng em impact dong ka thelo tun tum ka fight tur he ma se adot le tan na ro man na lo siam thiam thei dan tura ka be sei chu mania super fighter series a Bangalore ken khel tum khan Uganda pa ka kimu ne kai ne ka kami tum khan pathian zara avan nei zo ka changa ne na po ching takin ka changa ni ne khrepa ti chu ma se anua ka promoter te bulate alo vuya ka chak jok chu tiang kha tiang chu tiang alo vuya chu adot le a chuan ama khamin penon le sera ama eng ma soi poi tu rom to lo tu kopin nok out ngei ka tu ni
Chiang zo kan le idu de mo.
chu tiang chu chiang le zual zo ka ne ngei ka tu na ka ne dan kha chiang lo ka tin na ni lo ama khan soi poi tu eng wa nei to lo ko pa chiang le zo la ne ka tu ni.
Okay, my next question is that King of the Hill. So, are you planning to organize this event annually for the state of Mizoram or throughout the country?
No, we'll focus more and more Mizoram. Like we'll try our best. Depends of our sponsor and financial. We'll try our best to minimum have 1 or 2 event in a year, like good event. And as you know, in Mizoram there is a lot of boxer want to turn pro, lot and very good talented boxer, and we want to try to have small event who want to continue build the record and who want to continue build the record and just go fight out of India and get some money also. The financially support also, yeah.
To be honest, in India, amateur boxing is more popular. So do you think the professional boxing can take?
The structure is not that great because people don't know, okay, what is pro boxing, what is the glamour of pro boxing and amateur boxing is different. But that's why I'm here in Mizoram. Here already people know what is exactly pro boxing, what is exactly amateur boxing. People show interest. That's why I'm sitting Mizoram to make changing of pro boxing and amateur boxing, and we'll start from Mizoram and we'll slowly change other city as well. Yeah.
Can I ask the boxers?
Yes, sure.
Mizo tuing na me. WBC Asia title fight don ta. Chuan nang ma hi fight to lian ber anyam.
Al jan ber to ra la ne
Ihu purem.
ka hu phur
FM lo kapur zo
Phur zo ani le anh ni professional boxing fight lo nei nual to ta chuta chonin i mu da na mai la me chai fight thawanga chu anh a har sat na level ka se cha
major men chuan ang lo ka te mo fight a hi chan chu major chu 3 minute 3 round ang kan khel ta khami chunga a hun dei lo te chunga thei top chu khani mai a pro chu he round te lo rei ta chuan kan glove man te lo te ta film khurang ai rual khanin nge kai mani po in ring ring power major round scoring game te kan khel ta pro chuanin power te atamanga ya chuanin inven lu ka ngai boka kha bang khanin a game atang ka te chuan man ho vul fut chi te ve chi lawa game chen ka chu fight te chu nam tho na in riu film renga round som te round viet khang vel khel renga bang khan chuwa chuan ai nang lo ha major ne chuan ka te ai ta flay ka te
ani le nang ma anh dream antinan WBC Asia title lo la ta la chu next step a chu mi chu ka plan ani antinan sports a chuanin hei kan kum hi ari lo ta chu ban chuanin nang ma khanin enge plan mumal tak khai nei em hemi zo hian chu mi chu ka fight le theyanga tiang zong khan
kan tum ber chu world champion din ya chon atira khan sang ta ka tum sa lawa India champion ni ka tumang ka tia chon pathian zara India champion kan ni to anexa chonin Asia hi ka target ani ka tia tuna hen Asia ka ha le ya pathian zara ka dam chon chak ngei ka tuma chak ngei program ringa hemi da da chonin enge next level hen do chu ka shelawa amero chu Asia level ai sang chu ka tum
ani le mo pakhat le chi tunan opponent tu khai la shelo ta ni chu ta tak chuanin antinan lo shelok la chuwa video hlui te anin khatiak po khan in lo in buat sei thei ta khatia mania vai in buat sei top la ya kha a har sa de wem opponent shia thar kha a disadvantage em kati nang de ni chu
a har sa ve thawa mai ro chu eng opponent po ma chon thei turin tu na kan pu cha chong me ka chona hun te la la ka rin danin thani khat ve la oma chung kan shet ka ringa opponent te game chu kan tu to kan zir phan thu chu ka ringa chu wang chuan eng opponent po ka ma ron da se chu mi ma chon thei tur chuan kai pu cha tu na chuan
ole talo le I fight ka lo entry na aggressive ngani entertaining katia nang mai mi zia sim sim hi mo chu nickname apo the animal tia ka kha nge chan ga cha
the animal cái tí nó chân thì chỗ cũng sáng thì xong bạc quả vậy khai chuyện hậu viên cái nó khó mà chúng ta cho nên cái chế phun lệ cái mà cái nón phun sim sim thì cái chuyện pa tôi sinh cái nó chuyện Erica hello Federica cái mi khai nang mai i animal riu mai chu va cho nên lo nickname mà the animal thì phơi lên mấy view rồi mà thì chúng mi trang arom put chuộc chầu chu cái này đâu
chuan ani chin khani fight du khai soi to nang ma bi ka khriat cha hey professional chun khatin fight kha lo ta ni antina sports da cha football ani jori ai khen chan char ta ai bu sei reng thei ta khami in bu sei reng la kha harsa em taksa defeat rank turte khami engtika nge fight kan nei le don ti po kha in shekher lo mai thei ta chula ya chu harsa thinem
harsa al big le zualin ke ma tam pe jan harsa le zo chan chu cái chuyện thế dấu thế hậu thế tin sang à thế chú thằng val anh lên nè cái chú pa cái lối này đó nó lại à nó bui phần out thế nên cái này tu anh ai về thôi không biết anh tu nào bây giờ nên anh ni anh em chọn regular taking fight tu ra chuyện mai chú cái training thế rồi nè training chú cái training thôi mà sẽ fight tu ra chuyện mà chú cái regu thế rồi chẳng chú tu này hiện nên na tang ka tho te nga ya ka nu pui fanau te tu ka tho chunga ya steel work ka khoi ve me ka chung te chu tu na po ram hluna ka tho ka ni min khan ka zo chia ka te ha impo sai reng kha ge ma ta chana har ve det
ani le dang ma professional boxing i lu chil ta ro ro wa enge I
dream chuan in ya sang the ang per hi chu kan dream ve ka tu te pon world title han lak ve thei te world title han kol ve thei thuka chak kan nei lawa boxer to phot chuan tu pon an chak ve ka ringa amai ro chu I hemi konga hianin apoi mo ber chu pathian ya ma chu ti rol chuan sri ke manin eng angin thei to po chu mai la kam promoter te le min sponsor tu te am poi mo ka ti top lo thei lo ke ma chuan promoter tha kan nei lo mo sponsor tu tha kan nei lo chuan ke ni ta jong kal ngai na om lo achan chu hetlaya pong poloin lak fit satlia fitness helai kong thian te na fin sirvela ti riral mai mai pa kha bak kan nei lo eng ang pon thei top chho mai la kam promoter te le sponsorship lampang hi apoi mo ka ti ke ma chuan khami kan kal sel tu kong a han
I will want to tell you, sir. What's your name, sir? Okay. So as you asked me last time, it was like just come back event and we did with Indian boxer. But this time you're going to be see all fight very good. We have like minimum 2 to 3 international boxer, and as I mentioned, he is going to fight for Middle East, and the guy from Uganda, he live in Dubai. He keep calling me. You know that I promote boxing in Dubai also. He keep calling me. He want to do a rematch. So we having discussion. We signed the contract. The guy is Kinga from Uganda, live in Dubai, and his opponent also not going to be easy. Also, his opponent we having discussing with French guy who live in Thailand. But if it is first option, but second option we going to fight like he if he is not agree, then he going to fight for some international with. But everybody will fight for like strong boxer. Yeah.
Yeah. My question is, as you have mentioned that you have been searching for the opponent, right? So, are you definitely sure about that you will find their opponent? If you can find the opponent for our boxers, does that mean that they can win their title?
I really want to win the title. Of course, this is our boxer, our Indian boxer, our Mizoram boxer. But they have to get challenge. I mean, they will have to fight for this title. And as I mentioned, yeah, I'm looking for the opponent. But Olympo opponent, they challenge each other already, and he is telling me, and his opponent also telling me to last time from Uganda guy. Mostly he is going to fight with this Uganda guy opponent, and he's going to fight for Mizoram with French guy. But yeah, it's going to be challenge for them also to get title for fight with some strong boxer.
Kun boxer kha kan zo tang ram chang zo kan san thei tur ngai la ne professional boxing lo chil to in dongin nang ni chu training te pen lo nei thei to nga equipment la thil danga kan Mizoram din muna hian professional din mun chang chawati mala chawzel tur hian boxing boxer te chawzel tur kan infrastructure te kan equipment te kan din mun hi tun din muna enge in huldan boxer te advance so ka kan state infrastructure na zawl shri lo nge ti ang zong khan enge har satna ting zong a hin in to thin to in neyam
kami equipment le khati ing lo chu chang khan chuan kan nei tha ang reng view ka tia ke ma chuan boxer te po tuna eng lo chin chu a thorim po an thok rima amai ro chu ni china kat soi ang deuh khanin kam promoter te le sponsorship hi apoi mo to pa ke ma ni kal konga chuan eng ang pun boxer kha in la fitin thiam ma sela promoter China a promote lo mo ka tianga sponsorship nei lo in khelna tur nei lo chuan atan ko nga top dera tuna football a te po an te khin me ta ISL mi hetia khami te po an players ten lo tam tak an lo ni masela sponsorship ai nu do me chuan khang ho kha an sor chun zom sel thei do ne man selo ka tiang che kan tuna kan kal tan po he nia en lo sponsorship kan mu that chuan equipment chung chang ale coach ta le chuan tha tak tak le equipment a po khovela an mu phak tin chu kan mu pha kluk ani wal level tak tak chu ani phak herlo mai thei ma se khatiang kluk pui chu kan nei ni ma se la sponsorship le promoter tha ha kan mo
om je chu boxer tha cher chok turin kan equipment infrastructure chu tha be thokhat
tha thokat.
Yeah, I'm not sure about the setting up academy here. Maybe yes, maybe not. But there is a few academies already. You can see that we have last event and it was huge success. After that, the few local boxing academy already messaging me, especially Sete Boxing Academy. There's already very big name and busy always. And there's a one more academy, TD Boxing Academy. There's also busy. There is a lot of boxer. Even some meso boxer, they are try to. I think Wolampur also opening the new academy. What is the academy name?
Tuna hen academy hi game apo en hon ve ka tuma college veng PUC gate pullo ka khona nia triple V boxing gym ti ka tuma chu chu thopui pakhat ka ne ya chu chu mi finance tu hi varte finance te ne kan thok tun don ni chu chu mars tha hian chuan kanin hon thei ka be sei.
There is a more academy, more boxer, more promotion, more management, more international fight, A side, B side, everything. So there is a two-way. One is very top level boxer, like them. One, there is a boxer, but they can go and fight still international, but they might win, they might lose, but they'll get money. Going international boxer depends promotion and depends the city, country. Let's say he's going to fight China. Easy, anyone can get. Like last time, one boxer went to fight. What is his name? SC. He went to Dubai, right?
SC Laramfela.
Yeah, SC Lalamfila. He went to fight only 6 rounds. He got around 1 lakh rupees. All the costs the promoter handled, like the visa, food, ticket, coach, everything. He got for 1 lakh rupees for 6 rounds. So I want to create that fighter A and B, both sides. B side fighter also, they'll go and fight. Of course, they'll get money. So I want to create the platform like this. You understand? To keep sending the boxer international A side and B side as well. Yeah.
So I have another questions again.
Just one. What are the possible implications of this competition, especially in the future?
Say again.
Possible implication.
Okay, yeah. So see, as I mentioned, the pro boxing is only not boxing, entertainment also. For there is no doubt in Mizoram there is a lot of talented boxer, lot, but they have to improve their social media as well. They need to make their popular themselves, like fan base and sponsorship, everything. If they improve there will be like easy for me to get them like pro fight in here and international also. But they have to must be like fight for some national or state championship. Then they can there is a lot of fighter who reach out to me and they want to turn just to 1 year amateur experience. It's not possible. So they have to be, first thing I check whoever reach out to me on my team. I told them, okay, what's your experience and show me the video. Some of the boxers, they have experience for 3 years. Okay, they don't even fight for national, but they are very good. They have potential. Understand? So yeah, this is the criteria for turning professional fighting. Yeah.
What are the challenges you face as a promoter to organize different events in different cities?
Yeah.
I believe Dubai and Aizawl is very different.
Yeah.
So what are the challenges you face as a promoter?
India always I get challenged for sponsorship. Always. If you guys are fair, tell all sponsor to help us to get more sponsor. Trust me, we'll make him very big in Mizoram, because here is fan base already there. People want to watch for the fight, but always challenge for sponsor. But compared to other city and Mizoram is still getting better. As I mentioned, there's a few sponsor coming up and we are already discussing some sponsor. But yeah, the sponsor is always challenge, but compared to other city and Mizoram getting better.
So our boxers will get good money this time.
What do you think about good money? How much you think about good money?
Good money is a lot.
Like how much you think about pro boxing? How much money?
I am not experienced about pro boxing. That's why I asked you a question.
No, I mean compared to pro boxing in India and international. Okay, how much you think international top boxer get money?
No, international boxing we can't match that.
Yeah.
Because they are earning around $100 million per fight.
Good one, yeah.
That is too much.
Yeah.
We can expect that.
Yeah.
When I say good money, let's say that can at least cover the expenses they have for the gym, for everything.
Okay. I want to ask them also, having management contract, how much they get a help? Can you ask them directly? I don't want to tell myself like I'm managing them last maybe 2-3 years. Ask them how we handle. As you mentioned, about $100 million is heavyweight. Okay, trust me, I really want our Indian pro boxer, our major boxer to reach at least 1 million or at least as a $200,000-300,000. I'm going to tell you, if the fighter, let's say Lalding, he's 13-0. Okay, if he consistent training, discipline, okay, he may reach. And if he sign the contract with any big promoter, he may reach 2 years, $200,000-300,000 for fight purse. Trust me. And we reach this level. We consistent 6 years, but is going to be reached. I have one of my fighter also already. His name is Faizan Anwar. Okay, he fought in Dubai, WBA Intercontinental fight. He beat a Russian guy, 25 win and 1 loss. He got huge money and he has potential also. So that guy, and in Mizoram boxer, we want to reach that level to get at least $5 lakh or $3 lakh or maybe $1 lakh, and it going to be happen. This is my goal, to get change pro boxing, you know, in India and Mizoram. Please ask them how I manage and how I support. Please ask them directly. Yeah.
No, you will manage them good, I know,
But
because
please,
you let them fight in Dubai, you bring them in Thailand. I know all of that.
Yeah.
But I just wanted, to clarify, is it what giving all
Yeah,
this?
the managing myself also, trust me, is going to be from my pocket. You know that I always challenge this for why I support them, because here support of the local fan base. Fan base is very strong. If you're going to fight for out of India in Dubai or maybe Philippines or Thailand, anywhere, people watch them. That's why I just need to support, keep supporting. And one day some big sponsor will come to personal, and him also already, is going to be totally changed. But we have to be consistent, and I'm consistent for this goal. Yeah. Thanks for again coming, sir, and please support us. We have big event coming up. Just keep supporting us, and we'll have again one more press conference in a fight week with all the boxer and all the coaches, all promoter, everything. My partner, my co-partner Rani Kamal, Payam Munari, everyone will come. The event going to be happen. I'm going to guarantee this event you will never see like a boxing. Millennium Center. Open face-off will be there the first time, and the boxer coming from Africa, like France, maybe Philippines. Okay, depends budget and depends discussing of the opponent, and will be open, and also will get some international. They will come, might be, I'm not sure, but yeah, 2-3 international for sure will come, and all fighter will be like very good and sharp. So thank you for support, you guys, for coming also. Thank you so much.
Amay ro chu mi tu chuanin mi hriat ni hlonga intina Mayweather te Mike Tyson te chu keini ang kanu pan lai pun India ram state to per Mizoram atanga district to per Champhai district atanga RD block to per atanga kho to per khuang thing atanga pokan lo the to ni no pangkum som mi kan ni lai pun khati kan ke mani Africa ram kho kil khor perin min se ve to se chuan an ni hlo za ang kha kan hlo ve theng chumi tu chuanin apoi mo per chu media mi te India chu wang chuanin ke ni boxer te min thodun puya tenga kalkong kan kalkonga milo puya kan kalkonga tui milo chop saka milo pe thin turin kan ngen chawa nang mani min vor lar pui lo chuan ke ni chuan engma kan ti thei lo kan konga chu ke ni chuan kan ti thei to chu in ti fita boxing zir khan to me ma se chemical kong kan zo tu kan tam pui tu tam tak kan ma mo chu mi kong min pui thei tu chu nang ni ti kan sia chu wang chuan ke ni chuan a big takin ke le tu na ka thien te chuan a hlok na hi tu na professional kan lu chin nei mizo pe chu kum nga er or ba kala le no wa a hlok nei ki ni chong kan tel phalo mi thei ma se ke mani lu na zara mi ti khan ang se chho ze langa boxing professional boxing an hriat chho ze khan in media te champui na za te kan nau te kan fa te kan tu te jok chuan Mayweather te Manny Pacquiao te hlo zang kha aron la hlo ve mi thei chu wang chuan in champui na in support na aron dil